Wow.
Miss, your saree is really good. Thank you, thank you, thank you. In the class, first mark yaru? Shruti. All of you all keep quiet. This is class or fish market. In the class, best student yaru? Shruti. Best batch I have ever seen. Pin drop silence. In the class, best handwriting yaru? Shruti. Now important questions mark பண்ணி கொடுக்கட்டுமா? படிக்கிறதெல்லாம் important questions தான். Write fastly. இல்லனா paper